Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity typing style in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and then tap the activities. Then in your activities, tap your activity. Then in your activities, scroll down and go to typing settings section and then tap the typing style. Then in the typing style, if you want to change it to standard typing, just tap the standard typing until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it to touch typing, just tap it also until there's a check mark on the side. And lastly, if you want to change it to direct touch typing, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it back to default typing style, just tap it again until there's a check mark on the side, just like this. And that's it, we have successfully changed activity typing style in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!